This recipe is one of its kind. If you're experiencing hair loss or you want your hair to grow very fast, watch to the end of this video. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a hair growth oil that's going to grow your hair so fast. It's going to triple the growth of your hair. It's going to stop hair loss, grow back your edges, and your hair is going to grow very strong, thick, and very fast. The first item we'll be needing for this hair growth oil is cloves. Guys, I'm using the powder form because I feel like it's much more potent, so I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cloves powder into a bowl. The next item I added into the bowl was olive oil. Guys, now I'm just stirring it so that the mixture will be well combined. And guys, as you can see, there's still some grains in the oil, so what I'm going to do is strain it out so that the mixture will be very smooth. So I'm going to use a wick cap. You can either use a strainer or a cheesecloth. I'm going to go in with a wick cap because I feel like it will do the job well. And now I'm just straining it to get the oil out of it. Guys, cloves are very rich in the number of nutrients required for hair growth, such as potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, manganese, vitamin K, iodine, and vitamin C. They are also full of antioxidants that help protect the hair. Olive oil on its part contains proteins and antioxidants that contribute to healthy hair. It also strengthens your hair follicles. You can use any other hair growth oil of your choice. Many people spend so much money on hair care products, starting from the shampoos, conditioners, and oils to mask and serums, yet they still do not achieve their dreams of a healthy hair. Fortunately, there are many natural hair care remedies available in your kitchen that can help achieve this dream, and cloves is one of them. Okay, so guys, I'm done straining it and I'm just going to transfer it into a container with a pump head so that it will be easy for me to use. And last but not least, I'm going to add in 3 drops of rosemary essential oil. I'm shaking the bottle to combine all the ingredients. To apply, take a small amount of it and massage it on your scalp. And always make sure to perform a patch test before applying cloves oil to your scalp. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.